What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, and today we're gonna be working on my garage just real quick. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Before I do that, please subscribe if you haven't done so. If you want to support the channel, you can do it different ways in the affiliate links in the description below. Let's get right into it. So, a while back, I don't know if y'all remember, I did a little video where I reorganized this back side of the garage because the bikes were hanging off the ceiling and it looks a whole lot better now. I redid the bench and hang the bikes in a different way and all that, and it is a whole lot better. Still not perfect, but I told you that I want to address this side over here because it's kind of like a mess over there. That's a shower curtain cut in half, and then you can still see everything on the bottom. Behind that, I have a lot of boxes. As you can kind of see. And these boxes actually, whenever they all the way in, they stick out a couple of inches from this shelf right there. Something that I didn't plan because I didn't buy the boxes to fit this shelf. So I made the shelf, and then years later I bought the shelf. So I'm gonna enclose them in a way that I kind of think is gonna work. So this is what I got. The other day I went to Home Depot and I got half-inch conduit. This is a 10-feet section. This was like $6, something like that. And I got some curtains from Amazon. They're 5 feet by 8 feet tall. So the roof height is 8 feet from the ceiling to the floor right there is 8 feet without the little step right there. So I got these little holders that hold like that. So they just hold it like that, but you can't attach this because this is gonna be perpendicular to the studs. So I got these L-shaped brackets that will hold, that will connect to the stud like this. Is gonna actually push them out 2 inches from here to here, maybe a little bit longer. Then I'm just gonna attach this with the bolt. And now it should cover all the boxes that are sticking out a little bit. So this is kind of like the setup that I have right now. I had these bolts laying around, otherwise I would have bought them shorter, but this will do exactly what I needed to do. So let's get right into it. Well, those are the hooks that I was telling you about. They're already right there. There's another one right there, and the last one back there. So all I gotta do is sit the rod in, put the curtains in, and that should do it. Before I put the curtains in, I'm gonna make sure the rod fits in there. Should be no problem. And it fits like a glove. Let me go ahead and put in the curtains. when you look at that, that turned out a whole lot better than expected. Cool thing about it, it goes all the way to the ground. I just had to put up those brackets 2 inches from the ceiling. That way the top right there will clear it. And this is a really nice background. I could probably see myself recording over here, so this is pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Those curtains, again, they're 5 feet by 8 feet long, and they have different sizes. I'll leave affiliate links in the description below. I think they were like $25, $22 on Amazon. They were not that expensive, and they feel actually pretty heavy, pretty darn good. They have different colors as well, and different length, different widths, and he came in next day, so that's a really good thing. Another thing, the rod was like $7 and the little extra hardware, so I ended up spending probably with the curtains was the most expensive. It was like 40 something dollars for the 2 of them. I probably ended up spending about $60 total, and this thing turned out a whole lot better. So now it's still gonna be a little bit better organized, but whatever is not is gonna be out of the way, out of sight. And if I need to reach something, it's as easy as that. So cannot be happier than this. This it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, if you found it interesting, if you found that this is gonna help you a lot, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any future content. And if you want to support the channel, you can do it different ways in the affiliate links in the description below. Check those out. Other than that, it's not necessarily mountain bike related video, but it kind of is because they're my mountain bikes and I'm just making them look better. That's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's ride. Goodbye.